Our AI-powered testing platform helps QASource engineers speed up testing, reduce backlog, and improve coverage, all without compromising quality. Let's take a closer look at its features. We start by connecting our AI-augmented testing platform to your existing tools, including Jira, Confluence, Figma, and any form of documentation, such as product specs, test plans, or design notes. Working within your environment, our engineers use the platform to extract information from user stories, attachments, and comments, building a deep understanding of your application. Next, our engineers use the platform to scan your application, mapping and registering UI elements and workflows. This contextual layer ensures accurate test generation. It smartly produces ready-to-use POM classes for every scanned page with action methods. Once the platform understands the scanned application's workflow and UI elements, it leverages this intelligence to let users create test suites that reflect real application behavior. When integrated with story and requirement details, this knowledge transforms into highly targeted, meaningful test cases. As a result, a high-quality test suite that an engineer in the loop can review provides greater accuracy and coverage. Powered by the AI Test Case Optimizer, the platform ensures test cases remain clean and meaningful. The AI engine reviews all test cases, identifies similar ones based on conditions, and groups them together. Users can merge related cases or mark duplicates, streamlining maintenance, boosting coverage, and aligning the suite with business logic. The platform is language and tool agnostic, adapting to your stack, including but not limited to Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, REST, or GraphQL. Our engineers use it to build reusable libraries and automation scripts tailored to your environment. Every output is reviewed by a QASource engineer. We validate test logic, structure, and maintainability before anything goes live. Once approved, scripts are committed to Git and integrated into your CI/CD pipeline. The platform supports auto-healing, allowing our engineers to keep scripts stable and continuously updated as your app evolves. As projects progress, the platform continues to learn from engineer feedback and test outcomes, making future test generation faster and more accurate. All execution results are accessible through interactive Allure dashboards, giving our engineers and clients clear, actionable visibility into test performance and coverage. Our platform powers the way we test, combining AI with engineering precision to deliver smarter, faster results. This drives the quality behind every QASource engagement.